Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to connect MongoDB to Jupyter Notebook. Let's assume you have already installed MongoDB on your computer and the server is ready for storing and retrieving data from your MongoDB. All right, then if you want to connect your MongoDB to Jupyter Notebook and accessing data from your MongoDB on Jupyter Notebook using Python. So this tutorial will help you understand to connect with your MongoDB. First of all, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a NoSQL database. NoSQL means there are different SQL databases like MySQL, Oracle, Postgre, and so on. So this MongoDB is different from SQL databases or relational databases in general. This database is able to handle huge amounts of data very efficiently, not like SQL databases. MongoDB does not have a restriction on schema design. So this is better than relational databases. That is called traditional relational databases. We call SQL databases as a traditional relational database because they have their own restrictions and limitations. So we cannot able to handle huge amounts of data very efficiently in SQL databases. That's why nowadays we are using MongoDB to access huge amounts of data very efficiently because data is very, very important nowadays. So to handle our data, large amounts of or huge volumes of data very efficiently on Jupyter Notebook, we can able to connect our MongoDB to Jupyter Notebook. So watch this tutorial. Uh, Unlike traditional relation databases where data is stored in clearly defined tables, because in relational data are stored in a cleared manner, like tables, columns, and rows. So each column contains a very specific types of data in relational databases like MySQL and so on. Mongo has a dynamic schemas for unstructured data. The traditional way of storing data is structured, storing structured data in a column and row manner. But in MongoDB, we are going to handle unstructured data. Data can be stored as key value like dictionary or JSON, document oriented and column oriented and graph based. So in MongoDB, we can able to store data in the key value, document oriented, column oriented, or graph based. Okay, once we understand what MongoDB means, we can able to install required libraries to connect our MongoDB to Jupyter Notebook. Okay, there is a PyMongo library that able to connect our Jupyter Notebook to MongoDB. So you can install this library on Jupyter Notebook using pip command. Once you have installed this library, we are going to import the module from this library. So first import PyMongo. Then from PyMongo, we are going to import the Mongo client. And once we import the libraries and modules from the PyMongo, we are going to create a MongoDB client. This is step 3. So we just use the class Mongo client from PyMongo library or module. This class or takes two parameter arguments, the host name, that is by default, that is a local host, and the port for that MongoDB client, that is 27017. Okay, then the last, once our client, MongoDB client is connected, we can create our database in MongoDB. DB, the client object, which is created here already, and we just pass as the database name in this case, and we can run this, and we can check our database is created or not. Yeah, our database, our Mongo client database is created. We at the local host of and at port 2707, and document class is dictionary, and the connection is true, already connected, and our database, which is created, newly created database name is test13. So this is the way how we can connect our MongoDB to Jupyter Notebook and access data from Jupyter Notebook, and also store data into Jupyter Notebook. In the next class, in the next session, we are going to see about how to access data from MongoDB, as well as how can we store data into MongoDB from Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, I showed you how to connect your MongoDB to a Jupyter Notebook. And next time, we will see another topic, and we will learn a lot about data analysis. Thanks for watching.